Now the news in detail. Opposition leader and member of the House Committee, Manohar Parrikar, stated that the objections to the widening of the national highway could be sorted out in consultation with the local people concerned. He said the decision taken by the House Committee on Friday is a small step in the larger context of the proposed widening and improvement of the national highway.
The House Committee meeting, which was held on Friday, attended by all the members, witnessed the finalization of the alignment of 35-kilometer stretch between Panjim and Usgaon. The committee has, however, put the decision on hold as regards the Old Goa, Kurli and Boma stretch. Speaking to Goa 365, member of the House Committee Manohar Parrikar said that wherever the locals had objected to the widening of the highway, the land acquisition should be put on hold till the issue was resolved in consultation with the people. However, he said minor improvements could be gone ahead with.
आता प्रश्न आशिल्लो तो फक्त पणजे ते उसगांव पर्यंत जे पळय नोटिफिकेशन 29D लॅप्स जाताले त्या संदर्भातलो निर्णय आशिल्लो. जितले पळय डिस्प्युटेबल एरियाज आहा तितल्यो तुमी लँड एक्विजिशनाक रिकमेंडेशन करूं नाका. त्यो लोकां बरोबर थंयच्या उलोवन थळाव्या लोकां बरोबर उलोवन त्या हाजेर कितें सोल्युशन काडपाचें तें ठरवं येता. आमी ठरवं येता हाऊस कमिटी. त्यामुळे ह्यो वगळून ज्यो कितें रस्ते रस्त्याचे कोनशे मारतात म्हणजे वलत मारता आसतना वलत सोंपें जावचें म्हणून बी अशें जे कितें इम्प्रुवमेंट इन कॉर्नर्स किंवा टर्न्स म्हणटा पळय ते आनी उसगांव जो बायपास आसा थंय रुंदीकरण आनी ज्या जाग्यार पूल येतले नवे थंय थोडीशी लागणारी जमीन ही जमीन सोडून बाकीची सगळी लँड एक्विजिशन हे प्रोसिजर जावंक जायना अशी आमी भूमिका मांडलेली.
The President National Highway Alignment is opposed in Goa from several quarters. The Central Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Kamal Nath, during his visit to Goa recently had given a deadline till November 30th for imposing Section 3D of the Central Land Acquisition Act.
काल जे घेतला पळय इट इज अ व्हेरी स्मॉल कंपोनंट सगळ्या गजालीचो पण तो जितलो घेतला तितलो म्हाका दिसता की इट इज क्वायट रिजनेबल. हीच गजाल जर तूं 2 महिने पयलीं जर तूं सरकारान कमिटी आपोवन चर्चा केल्ली जाल्यार 2 महिने पयलीं बेटे घोळ जावपाची गरज नाशिल्ली.
Mr. Parrikar further said that the decision taken by the House Committee was small but quite reasonable in the large context of the highway expansion. The joint meeting had brought down the number of demolitions from 569 to 136. Mr. Parrikar said that the committee had suggested a bypass from Old Goa to Boma, which would save many structures.
Up to खोर्ली पर्यंत जवळजवळ कांयच एक्विजिशन ना. मायनर कितें तरी थोडेशें आसत. मागीर ब्रिजाक आसा बाणस्तारीच्या. परत ओल्ड भोमा जे आसा थंय काय एक्विजिशन ना. मागीर कुणय सायडीक थोडे रोड कटिंगाक आनी रोड सॉफन जावचो म्हणून काही आसा. परत फोण्या फर्मागुडे काय एक्विजिशन ना. डायरेक्ट मागीर उसगांव आनी मदीं फक्त खांडेपार पुला खातीर इतलेच हाजेर आमी तांकां डायरेक्शन दिल्लें.